Incremental routines. Then, who it serves. So, who is the target? Everyone. Beginners. Beginners in the sense that you start incremental reading or you start using SuperMemo for the very first time, and also the spaced repetition, because it could be that, okay, I am or I was an IQ user or I use Remnote or any other software. I know what a flashcard is, I have used spaced repetition. It's just the software and the paradigm of incremental reading. Everything, it's covered. And I will use analogies and so on to use more plain English. It's not just all of the jargon that if you look at the documentation, you will see all of the jargon from day one. Also, intermediate users. Why this is useful? If you want to refine your incremental reading experience, you know enough to have your flow, but you want to go further, filling the gaps, and since the course is so heavily modularized and the videos are very atomic, what you could do is, oh, I know this, I skip it. I know this, I skip it. I don't care about this, I skip it. Then you only take a look at the videos that you want or need with the sections that are like more newbie, more introductions. So even if you don't want the entire course, you will still benefit from the course if you're an intermediate user. And also the advanced, that they look for mastery of priorities, synergies, customizations, and so on, because I will cover everything. They will be on the mastery track only, not the fluency. There will be a video about this in detail, about the difference of those two tracks. But the mastery course, which will have more than 2,000 videos, will cover everything I know. I'm doing an effort that every single detail I take note, and I'll convert it or add that detail in a video. So how you automate this with auto hotkey, how you use SuperMemo along some other software, plan feature or the sleep chart that is more niche, even the incremental email that is again super niche. Everything that you can do in SuperMemo will be covered. So inside, we can't assume all users aim to be power users. The course adapts to different usage goals. And that's the beauty of it. This is also what the wisdom I acquired through tutoring many different people with different profiles. That no, I just want the basics. So even if I have it for free, I don't care. I just want this. And for me it works, right? Or perhaps I don't care about templates at all, but I do care about the neural feature, neural review, all of that. So then you specialize on this, and whatever else, yeah, I don't care. That's the beauty, that's why it's so modularized and so atomic, so you can cherry pick yourself what you don't want to. And that your goal is just fluency, you have the fluency track. That you want mastery, from day one you have mastery. You have the mastery track. That you do the fluency, and later on, okay, now I want more. You can do the mastery, and I will do the temp lists and playlists for every single possible flow. So regardless of the order you do, you will have always the opportunity to see the rest. So if you do perhaps just the fluency, then you have the playlist of every single section for just the mastery ones. So what you have is skipped. That you want to do it for day one, you will have the fluency and mastery together. And not one after the other, in precise order. That, okay, I'm making this up. After this video, the number 10, you can see this mastery one, this mastery one. You have all of the required videos already. So you can fine-tune the order. That's all for now. See you incrementally.